Hello everyone, welcome back to the Media Center. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the ABC-CLIO database. The first thing that you will notice when you log on to the database is that you have 4 options to choose from. Today we're going to focus on the American History section of this database. This is going to be especially helpful for those of you enrolled in U.S. History looking for information for your 7-page research paper. When you log on to this part of the database, there's 2 options to search. You can search in the search bar using keywords. You can also do an advanced search, and you can also scroll down here through time period. For our purposes today, we're going to go ahead and search Civil Rights Movement as our topic. When you type that into the search bar, it's going to give you a list of results. You can filter the results by resource type. You can also sort by relevance or title. I'm going to go ahead and select the first resource here, which is a reference article. Over here on the left-hand side of the column, it's going to give you related information. And if you scroll through the article, it's going to give you additional information here at the bottom as well as your citation information. If you go back to the top, there's a couple of options. You can save the article, you can email it to yourself, you can print, and again here's that citation information. Don't forget, if you are in a U.S. History or World History class, you're going to be using the MLA format. So when you copy and paste that into your bibliography, make sure you do the MLA style. Some other tools that you have available: you can listen to the text being read to you. And you also have the option to have the article translated into a variety of languages. If we go back to the beginning of the American History section, there are a couple of tools I'd like to show you. If we scroll down to the bottom, we have the Academic Success Corner, which includes writing tools, reading tools, and Ask a Librarian. You can also go ahead and watch a video about how to utilize the database. Now, if you guys still have questions about this database, don't forget, you can come down and visit me in the Media Center at any time, and I will be happy to help you find the information that you're looking for.